Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Heflin local and long-distance movers near me. Choosing to hire a dependable and cheap Heflin moving company makes a difference. When you choose 3Movers for your local or long-distance move, you get a team of dedicated professionals. We know how to move you quickly and efficiently to anywhere in the world. Our team helps veterans, homeowners, renters, business owners, and students with their moving needs every year. We provide many different options to choose from for your long-distance move, including packing services. Our team will do the packing and the unpacking for you. Moving supplies. We offer high-quality moving supplies and packing materials to keep your things protected. An on-time move. You won't have to worry about any delays on moving day with our crew. Upfront pricing. Get a transparent moving quote from us and set an accurate moving budget. Licensed and insured. We make sure your things are fully protected throughout the move. When it's time to move across the country or even just a few states over, we can help you. Our team knows how to make sure your long-distance move runs smoothly. We have all the right systems in place to make moving stress-free. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Heflin moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.